heavy rain has led to some flooding in western Maine. In Oxford County, some of the smaller rivers spilled over their banks and got pretty close to some homes. News 8's Jim Keithley reports from the Rumford area tonight and has the latest.
The Androscoggin River was raging just after noontime. In the town of Mexico, the Swift River, which feeds into the Androscoggin, had spilled its banks and flooded Ray Doogie's backyard. He's lived on Carlton Avenue for nearly 30 years.
And my wife got me up at 6 o'clock this morning and said, "You've got to get up. The water's coming up fast."
Is it getting in the house?
No.
But was certainly too close for comfort, given the history here.
Back in '87 is when I had 4 feet right now, right up to the level of the stove. Of course, that time we had to rebuild and all that.
Across the Swift River in the town of Rumford, the local ball field's completely underwater, almost as if they flooded it for an ice rink. But when the temperature is only 44 degrees, that isn't going to happen anytime soon. On the other side of the street, another ball field completely submerged. This chain link fence is 4 feet high. You can see the water is almost to the top. Locals stopping to take it all in.
We're about 300 feet from the river, and so far we haven't had any flooding problems in our house.
Along the Peru-Mexico town line, the fast-moving river brought with it chunks of ice, the current so strong you could hear the large branches snapping. The boat launch across from the Rumford Mill totally underwater, with debris floating everywhere. Road crews install caution barriers so that drivers are forewarned about the deep water crossing Route 232. A section of this road had to be closed for a time. By mid-afternoon, it was pass at your own risk. In Rumford, Jim Keithley, News 8.